Welcome to a series of 100 Python tips for beginner. Tip 8. Loop through a list in a line of code. I have a list with 9 items from 1 to 10 and I want to extract, for example, items which are larger than 5 just in a line of code. To do this, you will write the name of the new list, which is here items 2, equal, you will do your loop for I in items, the original list, if I larger than 5. Here, this statement will return list, which are items from 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, to assign this as a list, we will surround the statement by square brackets, as you see here. Now, the variable will be assigned to items 2 is what? Is I. So you will write here I. Here is the whole statement, just in a line of code. Now, let's print items 2. Here you are. This tip 8, and we still have 92 tips. You can find other tips in description down below. Like and subscribe to receive all our videos as we upload videos all the time. And as usual, I hope to see you again.